Using Clues to Determine the Main Idea of a Nonfiction Text by Mrs. Arwood for 4th grade ELA students. What is the main idea of a text? The main idea of a text is what the story is mainly about. Did you notice that the definition gives us a clue to remember what the main idea is? Main idea and mainly sound the same. Supporting details are additional information that explains, defines, or proves the main idea. And a nonfiction text is writing that is about facts and real events. We can use the title of a book as our first clue to determine the main idea. The title of this book is The Slowest Book Ever. What do you think the book is going to be about? I think it's going to be about things that are slow. This is just one clue that we can use to determine the main idea of the book. We can also look at the picture on the cover to give us another clue. Now we must use our clues to put the puzzle pieces together. We just made a prediction of the main idea using only the title. But now, we must use the clues to decide what could be supporting details of this book. Do you think that a cheetah would fit in this book? How about an elephant? Well, a cheetah is one of the fastest animals in the world, so I don't think it would go in this book. But an elephant moves very slowly, so they could be used as a supporting detail. Do you agree? What other animals would fit in this book? Maybe a turtle or a sloth? Can you think of any others? Supporting details are like groups of related things, and the main idea is the thing that they have in common. Let's look at these groups. Group 1 has animals, but the monkey is crossed out. That is because they are all farm animals. A monkey is not a farm animal. The main idea is farm animals, and the pig, cow, and horse are supporting details. Let's look at group 2. These are all types of fruits, and the carrot is crossed out because it is a vegetable. A carrot could not be a supporting detail for types of fruit. Now let's look at the final group. I want you to see if you can figure out the main idea. If you guessed plants, you are correct. The rock could not be a supporting detail for this group. Now we must decide which main idea most likely fits this story. We have two choices. Number 1 is many interesting animals throughout the world move at a very slow pace. And number 2 is turtles are very slow animals. Which do you think is the right answer? If you selected number 1, you are correct. Great job! Number 1 is correct because our book is mostly about slow animals, not slow turtles. The whole book would have to be about turtles for it to be the main idea. In this book, a turtle would be a supporting detail. You just learned an extremely valuable strategy to determine the main idea. Remember that by reading and thinking about the title, you can do two things. Number 1, you can predict the main idea by simply reading the title. And number 2, you can predict potential supporting details.